So about 10 or 11 years ago, information started to come out about the carcinogens that were left on the bunker gear and contaminants. And then unfortunately, one of the firefighters I actually went to elementary school with got cancer, and he ended up dying on the job. We worked together, and that kind of changed everything. It kind of brought it into focus how important it really was. He had neck cancer, he had carcinogens on the hood, and he was convinced that that was the reason why he got cancer.
My good friend who's up at training right now, he's been my best friend for probably 20 years. And to see him struggle and see what he was going through, it breaks my heart. We never washed our gear, ever. We thought it was the cool thing to do, to have the dirty helmet, the dirty gear, and so now we know different.
Here at Gear Wash, we really pride ourselves in the work that we do. We understand that this is life safety. We want to ensure your safety during your career and well into your retirement.
Clean gear is the new norm, not the dirty gear.
We're changing things for our health, not just to make things difficult or just for the sake of change. It's actually going to better our health and longevity in the career as well.
So it's important on two levels to keep your gear clean and maintained. First being the safety of the firefighter, and secondly, it'll save you money in the long run on maintenance and potential replacements.
You can find little problems before they get to be large ones and become expensive.
So here at Gear Wash, we clean, inspect, and repair and recertify the gear that firefighters wear in fires. We're a verified ISP. So a verified ISP is someone who's gone through extensive testing to make sure that their gear is actually cleaned and repaired properly.
So when we take our gear to the ISP Gear Wash, they would sometimes do our cleanings, our annual inspections, any repairs that needed to. They're the ones that had the app that we found out that we absolutely love.
And in that app, we're able to track everything that we do from start to finish.
Every time they put their hands on it, they are logging that they're inspecting, cleaning, washing, repairing, so that I have that documentation of that gear for the entire life of that gear.
We do offer a wide variety of services, including specialty cleanings.
So we've got pre-soaks, biohazard washes, heavy-duty washes. We can remove tar,
Name panel alterations, and other services needed to keep your firefighters compliant with 1851.
Our machines are certified independently at every location. You can't just put your gear in any old washing machine and hope it comes out clean. You know, there's a lot of things that we have to go through to make sure that what we're doing is correct.
My gear gets dirty, I need to clean it right away. My helmet, my hood, all the way down to my coat, my pant, and my boots. There's enough information and science out there now. We can't wait any longer. You've got to do it today. You can't wait till tomorrow. We just need to train and teach that is part of what we do. That's part of the expectation. It's not if you feel like it, it's a must.
When they receive the gear back, they know without a doubt that the gear is safe to wear and ready to go.